So what we're going to do today is a vehicle control scavenger hunt. So I'm going to name one of the controls and I just want you to point it out so that when we get out onto the road, you know where everything is. All right, so let's start with the gas. Right here. Yep, and the brake. Right there. Perfect. The gear stick to change between park, neutral, drive. Right. Perfect. Yep. Left signal. Here. Good. Down. Yep. And right signal. Up. Perfect. Windshield wipers. On the other side. Yep. Perfect. Yep. So if you pull it towards you once, it's going to spray the window and give you one wipe. What if you wanted to keep them on if it was raining heavy? Down. Yep. So in this vehicle, down is a single wipe. Yep. Go ahead, push it up, and they will stay on. The higher you go, the faster the wipers go. Good. The horn. Go ahead. Good. Awesome. Yep. You can turn your wipers off. Just push it down one more.
Oh, they're still going.
Yep. That's all right. What about your headlights?
I want to see something here.
Close?
Yeah. Oh.
Yep. Beautiful. Yeah. So you twist it there. So we have them on auto. You can turn them on to on or off. If you have them on, you have to remember to turn them off once you park your car or you'll get a dead battery. What about your high beams? Yeah. Excellent. Very good. What about the fuel gauge where you can tell how much gas you have? Perfect. How do we know by looking at that what side of the vehicle our gas fuel tank opening is?
There's a thing and it's an arrow to what side your tank is at.
Yep. So next to the little fuel symbol is an arrow. Whichever direction that arrow is pointing tells you what side of the car your gas tank is on. Your speedometer. Yep. Good. Very good. How about the radio? Let's turn the radio on and then off. Yep. Good. Perfect. And back off. Perfect. Good. What about AC? Let's say we need the air on. Yep. Perfect. And what about the fan to turn that up and down? Beautiful. Good job. And what about the back windshield wiper? Not all cars have them, but this one does. See if you can find where that is.
Would it also be on here?
Yep.
Is it this?
Not there. Just on the, look at the very, very end of it.
Oh.
Yep. So just a single click right there. Every car's a little different. So that's where it is in this car. And then just set it back to the neutral position to turn it back off. There you go. Beautiful. How about your front windows? Up and down. Perfect. Back windows. Good. And your door locks. Perfect. All right. And last but not least, your ignition. Perfect. Very good. Well done.